When it comes to commercial food steamers, restaurants and food service departments have two choices: boiler-based steamers and boilerless steamers. Boiler-based steamers cook fast and they recover quickly, which allows them to keep up during high-volume situations. But the boiler collects lime and they need to be repaired often. Plus, they use a lot of water and energy, which adds thousands of dollars per year to their cost of ownership. Boilerless Energy Star rated steamers save thousands in energy and water costs, and they're reliable because they don't have a boiler that gets lime buildup. But they can't handle high volume situations because they lose heat when the door is opened and don't recover very quickly. And they can be pretty expensive. The Stirling steamer gives you the best of both worlds. Third-party test results show that the Steam Pro is the fastest and most efficient Energy Star rated steamer available on the market today. And unlike other boilerless steamers, the Stirling steamer recovers quickly like a boiler-based steamer, so it can keep up during high-volume situations. But the best part is the price. Stirling doesn't manufacture a full line of products, and we don't have large overhead or pay layers of middlemen to sell or distribute our product. We focus all of our attention on creating the fastest and most efficient boilerless steamer made. Each unit comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free tech support for the life of the steamer. Don't pay thousands more for a slower, less reliable steamer. Contact us today to order the Stirling steamer or to get more information.